Come see this light and bright, beautiful brick 3-bedroom, 2-bathroom ranch home in the sought-after subdivision of Cedar Hill in family-friendly Virginia Beach. A great floor plan with a formal living room, dining room, large family room with wood-burning fireplace, and primary bedroom with walk-in closet and ensuite bathroom. Plenty of space to entertain. Includes an extra-large laundry room with a washer and dryer. Large private backyard. Attached 1-car garage with storage. New roof. Not in a flood zone. All this in minutes to interstate access, stores, parks, dining, naval bases, and more. Appliances worked but convey as is. Sale requires court approval. Allow 15 days for an answer to your offer.